I'm gonna give you a deal. We got a tank, guys. A giant. We got a giant. We got a freaking giant here. He's not a giant. We got him. We got a Laker, Dill.
One hard for it. That was easy. And go.
Okay, what's up everybody? Hope you're having a good day. We're out here. We traveled 2.5 hours this morning in search of lake trout. I hope later in this video you'll get to see some lake trout. Me and my son. My son's behind the camera. Say what up, Dale.
What up?
He's here on his first lake trout excursion. So I'm here to get my boy a fish. Will we get one? We don't know. But we're out here enjoying the weather, enjoying the mountains. There ain't a soul around us. So we're the only ones here right now, which means it's time to get to fishing. Stay tuned in this video for some epic lake trout catches, hopefully. Keep it heavy. What's up, guys? Talk to you about a couple of the lures that we're using today. So, let me trip this real quick. Pull this out. So, what we're using today is Always Gets It, and they make an awesome swim bait. The Gets It trout colored swim bait. That's a number one. Number two is always a tube jig of some sort. Here's a tube jig, trout color. Doesn't look like it probably with the lighting, but trout color tube jig. They love tube jigs. When I'm in the deeper water and I'm really trying to entice a bite, I'll go with that 6th Sense, that divine spoon, jigging spoon. Killer heavy bait, beat that mud. And then when you're going for the megalodons, you get you a Gets It tube of that caliber. And that's the best way to do it I've seen. That Gets It lure will get you bites. So try one of those baits next time you're out on the ice, and I promise you'll get bit. Keep it hit. Look down your hole. Look how big he is. Is he still there?
Yeah, he's coming for you. He's coming for you.
Oh God, I missed a fucking giant. Oh my God.
He's coming back.
No, he ain't.
Yes, he is.
Where?
Right on yours.
God, Dale, ready? Dale, be ready. Dale, be ready, bud. This is a monster, bud. This is a freaking monster. Still there?
No.
Oh my God. I missed him 3 times. A giant. An absolute giant.
Oh, he's coming back. Oh.
Is he on me? Look down your hole. I want you to see this fish. Is he still around?
I don't see him.
God, he had it twice in his fucking mouth. Giant too, Dale. I'm shaking. That's what we came for. Alright guys, we're gonna take this 6th Sense jigging spoon out to the center of God's country. Look at that, that was some kind of animal that ran through there. And they hopped pretty far. So we're going dead center. lunchtime. Dale's still trying to get a monster. Today we're having yoo-hoos. And always good on the ice. What you think?
Yeah.
So we're about to cook it up. Cooking up some spicy sausage gumbo jambalaya. Can't beat it, y'all. Can't beat these views. How you doing, son?
Good.
How are you doing, my friend? He's trying to get one, y'all. We're set up in here. Been a good day. Seen some, caught some. He's gonna get the biggest of the day. Just wait. Sure is nice out here. Huh. Nice day. Crackers. Good. Quick clip. How's that soup looking?
Good.
Look at that. Y'all, look at that. You got crackers, you got soup. Look at that. Sausage jambalaya on the ice. Hot meal. Beautiful day. Me and my boy. Give me some. I'm gonna get him in, deal. We got a tank, guys. A giant. We got a giant. We got a freaking giant here. This is what me and Deal came for. Here. This is what me and Deal came for. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get him. He ain't a giant. He's not a giant. He's not a giant. We got him! But we got a leaker, Deal. We got a leaker, boy. Guys, let's step out. Let's step out, Deal. Got my son recording. Guys, let me get in the light. check that thing out, guys. That is a beautiful, beautiful lake trout. Me and Dill, we're out here. Look at the gizzard. Look at the gizzard. Look at the gizzard in the face. All right, Dill, hit stop on that real quick. Here she goes. Big fat laker. It's awesome. Look at that, Dill. What an awesome girl. I'm gonna let her breathe for a sec. She's happy. And gone. And gone. Right on, Dill. All right, we rolling. We out, y'all. Deuces. Thank you for watching this video. One good fish. Still a good time with my son. Come on, boy. I knew I brought you for something. Thanks for watching another video with my son. We caught some lake trout. What'd you think about that, son?
It was sick.
We got to see some footage. He had a couple chances, but the fish weren't cooperating like we wanted. So, we'll be back out. But thanks for watching this video with me and my son Dill. We'll catch you on the next one. And one more time, what was it like? What was it like seeing the lake trout on the camera eating jigs?
It was awesome.
It was dope, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, well, send us off, son.
Keep it heavy.
Perfect. Cold as a motherfucker. Ooh. Four-wheel drive. Thank goodness for four-wheel drive. Don't mean we're gonna make it out. So far, so good. We ain't reached the hill yet. The hill. Think we can make it?
Yeah.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. Mama. Like nothing. Boom.